मैथ गुरु 9 पे मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूँ। आज हम लोग सीखेंगे बेस्ड ऑन द नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, है ना। इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर यू हैव आल्सो रीड अबाउट द हाउ टू सॉल्व द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ word problem, application to the word problem which is the linear equation, how to form the linear equation. After that reading the statement type of question, means word type of questions, है ना. So in the previous video you have also learned how to form the equation which is based on the article and their cost, and after that the second video you have also read about the based on the number. In the series of based on number, the question number 16 you must also solve the process. You can read as a carefully, and after that you can form the linear equation. And the question number 16 are saying that the sum of digits of two digit number is 8. क्या कह रहा है? What is sum of digit of two digit number is 8, है ना. तो let's unit place is equal to y, and tens place of number is equal to x. So the number forms, number equal to 10x plus y. What is the meaning of 10 plus x y? Suppose any number 24, you have just let a number 24. You can suppose here 10 into 2 and plus का 4, है ना. This is the general form. So any this type of question you make the number 10y plus x, है ना. If the 3 digit number, then if let 3 digit number how to form, है ना. 3 digit means 121. तो this is this type of 100 into 1 plus 10 into 22, है ना, and 1. Similarly you have just obtained the 3 digit number 100x plus 10y plus z. This is the 3 digit number. Okay, so you can make this type of number and follow the process. After that follow the process according to the questions, है ना. Then question number 16 said the sum of digit of two digit number is 8. Then according to the first condition, first condition is saying that the sum of digits of two digit number is 8, means x plus y is equal to 8. Okay, this is the equation number first. And after that you have to follow the condition number 2, second condition. What is the second condition? Saying that, है ना, difference between the number and that formed by reversing the digit is 18. क्या कह रहा है भाई? difference between number. तो नंबर क्या है? 10x plus y, है ना, एंड दैट फॉर्म बाय रिवर्सिंग. अगर हम रिवर्स करेंगे तो ये ऐसे आ जाएगा माइनस 10y प्लस एक्स, है ना. रिवर्सिंग द डिजिट इज 18. कह रहा है 18. बात समझ में आ गई? द डिफरेंस बिटवीन नंबर दैट फॉर्म बाय रिवर्सिंग द डिजिट इज 18. ठीक है ना. तो दिस इज द 10x प्लस y एंड माइनस 10y and minus x equal to 18. This equation makes like that 9x minus 9y is equal to 18, and you have to common 9, then it will make x minus y equal to 18 and 9 to the 18. The equation makes x minus y equal to 2, है ना. The first equation x plus y equal to 8, x plus y is equal to 8. You have just solved it, and this will terminated because the coefficient of y in the second equation also same, as well as the coefficient of y in equation first also same, and both are the opposite signs. So you can add these equations. So this is the 2x equal to 10 and x equal to 5. Now the putting the value of x equal to 5 in equation number first, x plus y is equal to 8 and y equal to 8 minus 5, then y equal to 3. Okay, this is the answers. So number equal to the number makes 10x plus y and the value of x is 5. So 50 or plus 3 equal to 53. Are you getting my point? You have to check the answer. Answer is correct or not. Question number 16. This is the there. You can just see here. Answer is the this. You have to check the answer 53 है ना. सीन हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? ओके चलो. तो I think you have definitely understand this type of question. You can solve question number 16, 17 as the similar questions. The sum of two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging its digit is 110 है ना. Then how to solve question number 17? You have just let number equal to 10x plus y, and if reversing the number, then make a new number equal to 10y plus x है ना. And question number 18, sum of two digit number and number formed by interchanging. sum of two digit number, तो टू डिजिट नंबर क्या है भाई? x plus y है ना. sum of two digit number and number formed by interchanging, then plus 10y, this is the number, 10y plus x is equal to 110, and this will make 11x plus 11y is equal to 110, and then x plus y, you have take the common 11 equal to 110, then x plus y is equal to 10. This is the equation number first. Okay, and if 10 is subtracted from the first number, क्या कह रहा है? if 10 is subtracted, तो according to the second condition, what is the second condition? If 10 is subtracted, तो 10x plus y minus 10 subtracted from the first number है ना. The new number is 4 more than 5 times the sum of the first. क्या कह रहा है भाई? The new number is 4 more, तो 4 more 5 times sum of the digit x plus y in the first number. समझ में आया? क्या करें? if 10 is subtracted from the first number, तो this is the first number, then new number is 4 more than, तो जो नया नंबर बना बेटा वो 4 more than है 5 times the sum of its digit in the first number. ठीक है, सॉल्व करते इसको. देखो ये हो गया 4 प्लस 5x प्लस 5y, एंड दिस विल मेक 10x प्लस y एंड माइनस 10. ठीक है, तो ये इधर आएगा तो ये माइनस जाएगा, तो हो जाएगा 5x है ना, 5x एंड माइनस 4y इज इक्वल टू 40. दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड. पहली इक्वेशन x प्लस वाई, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 10 है ना. तो हम क्या करें भाई, इसमें 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. 4 से दिस न्यू इक्वेशन विल बी फॉर्म 4x प्लस 4y इज इक्वल टू 40, and the second equation 5x minus 4y is equal to 14, and you have to add this is the cancel out, this is the 9x equal to 54 है ना. then value of x equal to 54 by 9 equal to 6, and now put the value of x minus x plus y is equal to 10. Here you have to put value of x, तो 10 minus 6 equal y equal to 4. and the number equal to 10x plus y. तो 10 into 6 plus 4 and this will 64. The number is 64. You have to check the answer correct or incorrect. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, दिस इज द आंसर 64. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है, कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चन फॉर्म हो रही है ना. ओके तो ऐसे भाई हम लोग क्वेश्चन 18 भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. देखो 18 सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 18 क्या कह रहा है भाई, 18 द सम ऑफ 2 डिजिट नंबर एंड द नंबर फॉर्म बाय इंटरचेंजिंग इट्स डिजिट इज 130. सेम क्वेश्चन है ना, सेम क्वेश्चन है. कह रहा है सम ऑफ द डिजिट. तो हम मान लेते हैं लेट यूनिट प्लेस इक्वल टू वाई मान लेते हैं y and 10 place ऑफ नंबर इक्वल टू x. सो नंबर इक्वल टू क्या आएगा भाई 10x प्लस, सो नंबर इक्वल टू 10x प्लस y. ठीक है. ओके नाउ यू कैन रीड द केयरफुली statement. What is the question saying? Question is saying that the sum of two digit number, the sum of two digit number. तो according to the first condition, the first condition is saying that the sum of the two digit. तो sum of two digit means x plus y है ना. sum of a two digit number and number formed by interchanging. If the number is formed interchanging then it will make 10y plus x. ठीक है. ओके interchanging is 132. Then you can see here sum of two digit number and number formed by interchanging its digit is 132. Then it will make 11x plus 11y equal to 132, and common 11th x plus y is equal to 132, and 11 go to the right hand side and will divide the x plus y is equal to 132 or upon 11. This will divide 11 to 12. X plus y is equal to 12. This is the equation number first. Okay, now according to the condition second condition, the second condition is saying that if 12 is added to the number is 10x plus y, added 12 to the number, the new number becomes 5 times the sum of its digit है ना. क्या कह रहा है, if 12 is added to the number, the new number becomes 5 times the sum of the digits. तो ये sum of the digits, तो this will make 5x plus 5y and it go to 10x plus y plus 12, and change the position of 5x and 5y will come to the next position 10x plus y minus 5x minus 5y is equal to minus का 12, and subtract it, तो 5x minus 4y is equal to minus का 12. दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड. ठीक है ना. तो आप इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हो. तो पहली इक्वेशन बन गई x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 12. ठीक है. अच्छा x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 12. देखो सॉल्व करते हैं. इसमें 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. दिस विल मेक 4x प्लस 4y इज इक्वल टू 48, एंड दिस सेकेंड इक्वेशन 5x माइनस 4y इज इक्वल टू माइनस का 12. You can add these equation, this will terminated. Then 9x equal to 8 minus 2 6 or 4 minus 1 3. X equal to 4. Now the value of x equal to 4, put at the equation number first or second है ना. Then x plus y is equal to 12. You have to put the value of x. तो y equal to 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. तो y equal to 8. So number equal to क्या आएगा भाई 10x plus y तो 10 इंटू द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 4 और प्लस 8, दिस इज 48. दिस इज द आंसर. करेक्ट है ना. तो ऐसे भाई मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, हाउ टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, सेम थिंग्स. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digit is 121. तो same things, let number equal to 10x plus y, and if reversing then it will make 10y plus x. Okay, and read the according to the condition number first. The condition first is saying that कि sum of two digit number x plus y and number obtained by reversing to 10y plus x is equal to 121. This will add 11x plus 11y is equal to 121, and it will make common 11th x plus y is equal to 121, and x plus y is equal to 121 upon 11. This will terminated by 11 times, and the equation have to form x plus y equal to 11. This is the equation number first. Similarly, according to the second condition, अब second condition what is saying? Second condition also, and the two digit differ by 3, and two digit differ by 3. अब differ by 3 is not correctly saying what is the differ. Maybe the two digit differ by, maybe this will x minus y equal to 3 or y minus x equal to 3. Anything is possible. Are you got at this point? The question is saying that the two digit number differ by 3. What is the differ by 3? Maybe x minus y or y minus x. So you have to solve taking the one condition x minus y. After that you have to solve y minus x and find the two answer. So if x minus y equal to 3, then x minus y equal to 3 and x plus y is equal to 11, and you have to add this. Y is terminated. This will make 2x is equal to 14 and x equal to 4. Okay, sorry, 7. X equal to 7. And now put the value of x minus y equal to 3, and put the value of x. So 7 minus 3 is equal to y, and y is equal to 4. Then number forms 10x plus y equal to 10 into 7 plus 4. This will make 74. And you have to take the other condition means y minus x is equal to y minus x equal to 3, and first equation is x plus y, then it will be y plus x is equal to 11. Then it will also terminated. 2y is equal to 14 and the value of y is equal to 7, and y minus x is equal to 3, and put the value of 7 minus 3 is equal to x. So this x is equal to 4. So the number forms 10x plus y. So this will make 47. ठीक है ना, समझ गए? सॉरी, हाँ ठीक है, समझ में आया? यू हैव टू चेक आंसर 19 नंबर. देखो 2 आंसर आ रहा है. आर यू गेट इट माई पॉइंट? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है आपको? बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा होगा, ठीक है ना. तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए बेटा एक क्वेश्चन छोड़ देता हूँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. यू हैव टू रीड केयरफुली and solve it and find the answer. You can comment the answer of 20 in the comment box. ओके चलो थैंक यू। और मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो, कमेंट करो, ताकि मुझे और मोटिवेशन मिले और मैं इसमें और सारी वीडियो बना सकूं। ठीक है, ओके थैंक यू।